They ask me all these questions, give me these lectures. It's getting old. So many suggestions on my direct.
Hi guys, I mean hi, Blake. Sorry, it's new for me, but anyway, today I'm here with
Daawn. I like, what should I say? And I got confused, sorry.
But Daawn, and we're gonna do some random stuff, and if you... Wait, sorry, it was nothing. What is sounding? Okay, anyway.
It's me.
No, it's the coffee machine.
Yeah.
So anyway, yeah, did I say everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll be right back. So guys, I don't remember if I said it, but I'm gonna say it anyway. That if you wanna see the video, she's doing a video too from her video, and then I'm gonna link it in the description. So yeah, we'll be right back.
Yeah. Jag kommer också göra det ibland. Sorry for that. Så när jag fast när jag höll paus.
Chest here.
Igen. No. No, it's gonna be a green thing here, like that. And so, yeah.
I don't remember.
Wait,
Is the star gonna be in the middle?
no, wait, maybe. Are you serious? How can't we remember? No, yeah. Or maybe not.
Hear that? It sounded like a police.
I didn't hear that.
No, but
Wait!
maybe the viewers did. But I think it's
Like
gonna
that.
be this.
No, it isn't. It's a
But aren't we going on hard?
we're going. Eller var det?
Wait,
Nej.
let
Nej, vi går inte on hard. Yeah, we're not going on hard. In hard, it's a green thing here. So it's a circle, star, and the triangle thing.
What?
Okay, we will be back.
Yeah. Okay, we're back. We did it. Okay, I will be back. We will be back.
Okay, I took it. You're never gonna catch me. Oh lol, I did it again.
So now, viewers, we're gonna show you our cool thing here. Come on.
Wait,
You're gonna
let's
shower.
stand here. No, I'm gonna shower.
Okay, you're gonna shower this time. Come on,
Least, yes.
do it.
I'm fixing the video thingy.
Okay. Look,
Oh, wait. Okay, no, nothing.
look what happened. Look. Do you hear how the pipes are sounding? They're like.
Phantom time. Never thought we could be phantoms, do you?
No, you didn't, right?
Okay, we didn't know that we could be phantoms before.
No, we didn't.
So
When
every
we found this at the first time, we were just like, what? Can phantoms open this? And then I had
and we
some
thought
sort
I
of...
could trick it in here.
Then I had some sort of... Oh, I got a bunny hat. Then I had some sort of phantom mask. Then I put it on and I just like... Maybe we could try this. Maybe this will work. And she was just like, what? Where did you get that from? And I was like, I got it from our friend.
Lunar.
Lunar. She's gonna start a YouTube channel soon. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She gonna.
And here you see you can open with normal. Now I am filming too.
I really want this. I have the Arctic Fox. I don't have this Lynx. I don't have this one. I don't have that one. I don't have that one.
Lama.
Who is this big llama? with those big ass eyes.
Mentally disturbed Drama llama, something more. Big fat mama llama.
Super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama.
Yes, of course, super llama.
So I think we're gonna end the video. I'm gonna end the video here. So I don't have something more. I don't have any more ideas. I mean, yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you in the next video.
Okay, I'm not ended the video, but I think I'm gonna end it too.
I did end it.
So thank you guys for watching. See you. Bye.